Good morning. Hey, I'm out on the Willoway docks. You can tell it's spring when you start to see the docks starting to hum here. So this is the week of the 9th, and we're just going at a slower pace. Next week we'll be at full bore shipping, and I'll be out each week giving you an update. But right now I just wanted to show you this week has been really big for potted trees. Our team is going to be out digging this week and next, in the field, getting those orders out to you. But right now is a good time to get the container trees, some deciduous and evergreens, get things opened up. We're supposed to have some really nice warm weather. People are going to start to come into those garden centers. Here we're looking at a pallet of 7-gallon Randall's Fine Line. These are just gorgeous full plants, guys. These trailers just came in. You can see again, potted trees are hot right now. A lot of gorgeous trees. Jet maples, Thad is going to talk about this week how he's opening them up, cooling them down, getting them more seasonally acclimated, and keep in mind, spring's here, ready to ship. Very nice. These are 3-gallon Syringa Mist Gems. Very popular landscape plant. Seeing the 7-gallon Randall's Fine Line, and here you see the 3s. Got exceptional value here. Show you this pallet here. I'll try to step back without getting run over from the tow motors rolling around here this morning. But here are the 5-gallon Coosa dogwoods, and these are oversized, big, beautiful plants. Exceptional value. If you've got these on order, definitely want to get them in. If you don't, you're missing a great opportunity. See some drift roses getting ready to come into the dock, and all the roses, the guys are busy trimming them back. You can see here how nicely they're trimmed. They get them all cut back and ready to go. They're going to break and be gorgeous full plants, right? So we're saving you the labor right now, and you can take these in and get them all set up, and they'll perform wonderfully for your pup. Across this pallet, this has Syringa Bloomerang, dark purple, 3 gallons. Again, look at the value on these guys. Big, heavy, full 3 gallons. This is something you definitely want to get in early because these are gorgeous plants. Early blooming, they take the cold, and this is really the start of spring when you start to see these hellebores. We got them in the cooler, so we're bringing them on slowly for you, but wow, look at the bud set on these. The guys did a fantastic job. Gorgeous full plants here, great color. Another one, I just want to give you another view. This one's one of my favorites. This is Anna's Red, and boy, I wish you could see the buds on these. Heavy budded, and the foliage on the hellebores are very thick and leather-like, so they hold up really good in the cooler weather, and they're deer resistant. So if you got a spot, you need some beautiful color, you've got a deer problem, this will work for you. This is hellebore Anna's Red. It's early March, and the guys are trimming things back for you. Spirea is another plant we shear back. This is Snow Mountain Spirea. This is Double Plate Big Bang. So what they're doing is they're giving those a light shear, getting them all shaped up for you. And man, when this heat cranks up and they start to break, they're going to look gorgeous, guys. All section, but we got a lot of nice Forsythia. This one happens to be show off, and you can see the buds going up and down the stems. Forsythia is one of the first to color up in the spring, and we'll see that color up here coming pretty darn soon as we get this heat. So if you want to get your Forsythia in now, they'll be sitting there ready to go in full bloom for your customers. Then I'm going to swing over here. Holly is another plant that holds up very well through the winter. You can see these 3 gallons are just gorgeous. Big, full plants. The thing you got to watch with holly is that you want to make sure you keep the water on them, and they'll do fine for you. They're looking good though. Barberry is another plant you can get in early here. This is the new one. This is Crimson Cutie. And I mean, God, look at the size of that 2-gallon, guys. Good value there. It's non-invasive, and this will give you a beautiful red foliage once it starts to break. But wow, look at the size of these 2 gallons. This is worry-free Crimson Cutie. Looking at some boxwood. This is the new Gen Freedom. Again, boxwood's a great plant to get in early. You're going to see a little bit of that bronzing to the top, but I mean, that's the winter color. But they're great full 3 gallons. And here we're looking at compact burning bush. It's in high demand. This is Buxus Little Missy. You can see here, nice full 3 gallons, fill in the pot, good value. Here we have azaleas. There we have 1 gallons and 3 gallons starting to come up to the dock. You know, these are heavily budded, big, nice full plants. We'll see more of those in the weeks to come, but I just wanted to show you what's going out on the dock, you know, in the first few days of shipping. Great looking barberry. Here we have orange pillar and mini maroon, bloom winter. And here we're looking at Thuya Fire Chief, very popular plant. You can see it's got his winter color, but it changes quickly. I mean, we're going to start to see temperatures in the 50s here, and that'll brighten up and look really nice. It's a hot one, Thuya Fire Chief. Hey, check out these gorgeous. These are 15-gallon bloodwood maples. Really nicely branched, nice caliper to them, good value. These pallets just coming in. These are the 7-gallon green giant arborvitaes. Landscapers, these are a great value right now. Here we have some 7-gallon dissected maples. I believe these are cornets. Look at the nice size of these. Good value. Heavy caliper to them. Nice branching. 7-gallon dissected maple. Plant for foliage color here. We're looking at our 3-gallon Prunus Sistina. Heavy full plant. See the guys here on the dock. They're getting the roses ready to go. Once we get going, the entire crop would be trimmed. But again, we're getting a jump start early this year with the shipping right now. You can see these are knockout roses. I showed you the drifts earlier, and cutting them back, trimming them, getting them all shaped up and ready to go. And here we have rubus. This is strawberry shortcake. This is raspberry. And small fruits are going to be hot. You know, early in the season, you want to get them planted, get them established so they're going to fruit very well for you. Now this one is a thornless raspberry. You can see here, very nice 2-gallon. Raspberry shortcake. We have the bushel and berry blueberries. You can see here, assortment of these. They're budded up, looking very nice here. You know, some of them have a little more foliage than others out of the house. But again, these are all budded, gonna bloom, set fruit. So if you get them in early, you know, you want to get, you don't really need multiples of these, but I would say you definitely want to plant 3 in a group because that's going to give you the better fruit set. They pollinate, you know, better and fruit better when you plant in multiples in most fruits. So check these out. We got blueberries ready to go. I'm gonna end up here. Here we have some rubus. This one is triple crown and heritage. And these are in the plants at work group. And as you can see here, they got them all trimmed up. They're looking great. So this was a little bit of a sneak peek into next week. You know, we're going to go in the full bore push and get start shipping out. So be sure to get with your sales team. Geez, I hope we're loading the truck for you.